Hi, this is Ankush Rekha Arun Sharma and today's date is 8 April 2024 and today's my topic is based on core Java and the subtopic is constructor. So what is the constructor? Let's define it. Let's understand what is the constructor. So first of all, constructor is a special type of method. It has some parameters, it has some terms. So where we can use, how we can use. So let's get into it. So constructor, first of all, it is used to initialize the object's attribute. Like it allows to initial the proper value of the class where we can adding the constructor. So this is the initialization, and the second is same name as class. Like if you are using the constructor, its name should be same as the class name, because the constructor gets automatically called when the objects are created. If you are creating the object, then it is getting automatically called. So the constructor's main purpose is initialize the proper object's value rather than the return a value. So this is the same name of class. This was second parameter. The third one is no explicit return data type. Like if constructor do not have the return data type. Like in regular method we use public, we use void. We can constructor don't need this. So if you are using any keyword there, then it is not allowed in Java. So that's why there is no explicit return data type allowed. And the fourth is default constructor. There are two types of constructor in the Java: constructor and parameterized constructor, and also multiple constructors are there. So in default constructor, we don't need to add any parameter there. We just need to write the name of the class, same name, like write the name of the constructor which is already wrote there as a class name. Just we need to write that, and just we need to write down the object's syntax, and it's automatically get called. So this is the default constructor, and other constructor is parameterized constructor. So it's very easy. Parameterized constructor means we need to initial the parameters. We need to pass the parameters in that parenthesis. So if we are if you want to use the parameterized constructor, then we just need to write that constructor name, and in that parenthesis we need to initial the value so that it can be passed while the programming. So this is the difference between default parameter and the constructor parameterized constructor. So after that, there is also use overloading. A constructor can have different parameter list. We can have same constructors, and we can pass different parameter in that constructor. So this is called constructor overloading. So when we can run the program, so when we pass the value in object, then only that particular part will be run and other will be overloaded behind it. So this is the difference between the multiple and default and the parameterized. So there are three types of constructor: multiple, default, and overloading. Whatever you are writing down, that will only run. If you want to run that three of methods, then you should need to write the proper declaration like string name, integer noun, and that types of variables you need to you need to add there. So this was the constructors topic, and yeah, so thank you.